Welcome to my technical demonstration of the Holidae booking website. In this video, I will walk you through how I created and built the website, as well as the technical choices which I made regarding its structure, layout, responsiveness, and interactivity. I will explain how I combined semantic HTML, external CSS, and JavaScript to create a responsive and usable prototype. The demo also highlights the website's responsiveness at varying screen sizes and JavaScript functionality which enhances user interaction, such as saving deals, comparing packages, and calculating booking totals. The overall design concept is based on the principles of responsive web design and usability. I will start by demonstrating the folder structure of the project. The project has separate folders for the HTML files, CSS style sheets, JavaScript files, images, and videos. This separation of concerns not only increases readability, maintainability, and scalability of the website, it also represents a best practice in the front-end web development process. This structure also makes it easier to update or extend individual components of the website without having to alter any unrelated files. Now, I will provide a brief overview of the HTML markup that is used throughout the site. The site structure employs semantic HTML5 elements, including header, nav, main, section, article, and footer. These elements are used to create a well-structured and accessible document that improves long-term maintainability, as well as search engine optimization. Navigation is implemented using a nav element with an unordered list of links. This design choice is based on the principle of recognizability and predictability, which can help reduce cognitive load for users. All images have meaningful alternative text, following accessibility guidelines and making visual content accessible to users with screen readers. I will now go through CSS styling and layout. All styling is done using external style sheets. Visual styling is kept in style. CSS and responsive behavior is separated into responsive. CSS. Separating the responsive behavior aids in readability and makes layout maintenance easier when dealing with multiple breakpoints. The layout is constructed using Flexbox. Flexbox allows for flexible alignment and spacing and naturally works with various screen sizes, which makes it useful for responsive layouts. Typography, spacing, and color contrast were used to create a clear visual hierarchy for improved readability and to facilitate efficient content scanning. I am going to show how the website is being resized according to screen sizes. The website is developed based on the mobile-first design strategy. On smaller screens, the website is presented in a single-column layout, with stacking elements and increased space to make it easier to be tapped. This enhances the user experience on mobile devices by reducing the need for zooming or horizontal scrolling. As the screen size increases, the CSS media queries are used to make the changes in the layout and adapt to the bigger screens to use the available space. When the website is viewed on larger screens, there are multiple Holidae packages shown in rows so that the users could compare them easily. JavaScript is employed for interactivity and decision-making support throughout the site. Selecting a Holidae package dynamically loads its details through URL parameters, avoiding content duplication and ensuring the correct content is shown. Users can save Holidae deals with a Save This Deal button. Saved items are stored in local storage, persisting across pages and browser sessions, enhancing continuity and supporting decision-making. The comparison feature allows users to compare packages side by side, with a set limit to prevent cognitive overload. The booking page calculates total prices based on selections and stores booking data locally. JavaScript conditionally renders saved, compared, and booked items across pages, demonstrating client-side state management and DOM manipulation. Visual media is used to increase user engagement and convey the vibe of travel destinations. The landing page features a background video to make a good first impression. Images of destinations allow users to visualize the holiday. Use of visual media can have a positive impact on users' perception and emotions. Media assets were chosen and applied to ensure they are visually appealing but do not negatively impact the performance on mobiles. In summary, this technical production demonstrated the integration of semantic HTML, responsive CSS, and JavaScript interaction in a functional, user-friendly holiday booking prototype. The website is responsive to various devices and users, and it allows browsing, saving, comparing, and booking holiday packages. The implementation followed the best practices for front-end development and usability and satisfied the client's needs and specifications for a responsive design. Thank you for watching.
Oh.